Hi! Good afternoon again. Welcome back to my page. This is Jed, and yes, bago ko magtanghalian, let's answer one of the frequently asked questions again. I think I am on my 11th question, 11th topic. So, let's do this, fellow hustlers at mga future hustlers, listen up. Okay, ang tanong, can I still stay employed while I do this business? Okay. My answer is big yes. Definitely yes. You can do this totally alongside with your regular job. I myself has a regular job. My job, I have a day and night job. My role as a restaurant doesn't stop when the time clicks 5. No, at 5 p.m. Hindi. Tuloy-tuloy. But I can make it work because I am plugged in a proven system that does most of the work for us, for me. So, ano pa? Why I can do this business even while I'm running a restaurant? First, it doesn't require so much of time to do. A couple of hours a day will do. If you have more time to spare, well then and good, because makakatulong yun sa'yo to speed up your business. And second, I can do it remotely, even here on this table with just my phone and my laptop on the other side. I can monitor the progress of my business. So talagang digital strategy nga kasi talaga siya. So phone, laptop, and that's it. You just need a strong Wi-Fi connection, and you can do this. So siguro if you are also working on a corporate job, sa office, you can do it during lunchtime if you've got 30 minutes to spare after having your lunch or dinner. You can do this. If you want it, you can find a way. So, yun ang para sa akin. Okay. And, ano pa, ito is very important. Since there is no selling and inventory involved here, it's easy to track the business. Diba? Kasi wala kayong monitor ng mga ganung bagay-bagay. So, ito lang ang mga na-realize ko here. Kasi, when I started, I just have in mind na, okay, I just need maybe a couple of $100, ganyan, to boost my income, my allowance. So, but, people then realize later on as they go on with the business, as they progresses, that amount is very actually minimal, and that it doesn't just supplement their income, it replaces. And actually for many cases, this business has become their main source of income. So because of the potential of this, the endless potential of this business. Kaya, so ikaw try mo na, because don't wait. The clock is ticking. Sayang. Nagpo-phone ka palagi, nagla-laptop ka palagi. Why don't you make use of that opportunity na maging pagkakitaan na siya? So, I'll see you guys on my next one. Kakain na ako. Bye! Mwah!